back today. We're going to do a bit of a bike check before going to Scotland on Friday. It's looking pretty muddy right now, so we're going to need to clean her up first. Yeah, but once done that, get a bit of a bike check going, see if anything's wrong. Might need to get some brake pads because they're wearing a bit thin. So I was going to use this thing to, if I can get it, this to get my front wheel off, but when the bike's on the stand it's pretty awkward, so just use a normal Allen key instead. But it's pretty neat, to be fair. For like, it just does the front wheel, to be fair, or anything else the same size, but I don't think much is on this bike anyway. Right, got both the wheels off so we can look into the little nooks and crannies of the bike. Just gotta clean this bad boy now. Right now I've got all that with like muck off and stuff. I'll spray it down, so it'll be pretty clean then. Yeah, it's pretty satisfying, I can't lie. Right, so the rig is pretty clean. It's actually raining right now, so there's no point in trying to dry it out here. But pretty clean. Gonna need to check these because there's not too much left, and they've been oh yes, down there. They're like quite tight. Been rubbing a bit. And these are absolutely filthy. And then clean the cassette as well. Oh, that's nice. One trigger hubs are the best, I can't lie. Just give this a little spray, just because. Let it like work a bit. Yep, yeah, sound. Let's give this a cheeky little scrub, and then I'll rinse it a bit and do the same for the other one. Get them back on the bike, get it inside, check it out a bit. Yeah, got a nice little now. I think I've got some chain oil or lube, or whatever you want to call it, on my rim and tyre sidewall, which isn't great. It looks like someone's like came on my wheel. Oh, it's better at least. Wheels are looking fairly immaculate. Oh, what is that on the spokes? That's actually mud on the spokes, never mind. Apart from the tread's still a bit muddy, but it's hard to clean the tread. A bit of a scratch there. Right, got the wheels back on. It feels like my bottom bracket is I definitely need a new one. It's pretty grindy. Alright, got the chain lube on. I use Fenrix Pro, it's pretty good, but you need to wait quite a bit before you can ride it after, like a few hours, so I wouldn't use it after the end of the ride. And now I've got this silky suspension muck off stuff. All I do is just like stick a spray or two on the stanchions, dropper as well. Oop. Bike's gonna fall over. Yeah, and then down here as well. Yeah, and then just like squish it a bit, and it should be sound then. Right, that should be the bike set up for Scotland now. It's running pretty nice. Might take some air out of the forks actually, because going to Enna's first day, and that's pretty harsh riding, so I might set them up a bit softer. Not really having any problems with the bike, just the bottom bracket needs replacing, and maybe some brake pads, because I don't have any brake pads right now for these brakes, because my old brakes aren't the same. Apart from that, bike's running really nice. No problems. But But yeah, stay droopy.